Hey everyone, welcome back to the 101 library where we dive into MATLAB programming. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fundamental concepts in any programming language, the if statement. We will go through its basic structure, variations, and some practical examples to help you get started. So, let's dive in. In MATLAB, the if statement is used to execute a block of code based on one condition. The basic syntax looks like this: if statement, a condition, a code to execute, an end statement. Let's break this down with a simple example. Suppose we want to check if a number is positive. Number equals, we will assign a value, let's say 5 for now. Then our if function starts with f, a condition, in this case number is greater than 0. Then a block of code to execute, in this case I will display a message that says the number is positive, and we will end that function with an end statement. In this example, since number is assigned to 5, which is greater than 0, this function should display an output of the number is positive. Let's run this. And as you see in the command window, the result is the number is positive. Now, let's look at a more complex scenario where we have multiple conditions. For this, we will use the if-else structure. Let's modify this code by adding an else statement. After our code to execute, I will add an else statement, and then I will write a code that is executed when this condition is false. In this case, I will display a message that says a number is not positive. Now, when I run this code, the output should still be the same. As we can see here in the command window, the output is still the number is positive. If I change this number to -5, run it, and the output is changed to be the number is not positive. Next, let's add one more condition using the elseif keyword. This is useful when you have more than 2 conditions to check. I will modify this code by adding an elseif statement after the code that is executed if the condition is true. I will type else f, enter. Then my second condition, in this case I want to check if the number is less than 0. If this is true, I want to display a message that says the number is negative. And if these both conditions are false, I want to change this message to be the number is 0. Now I will run this code, and since number is -5, we can see that the result is the number is negative. I could change this to 0, run it again, and the result will be the number is 0. MATLAB also supports nested if statements, which means you can place an if statement inside another if statement. Let's see an example. You can rewrite the same function here using nested if statements. For instance, I will write an if statement that checks if the number is not equal to 0. F not equal to 0. Then, if this condition is true, I will write another if statement that checks if the number is positive. In this case, f number is greater than 0. My message will be. Now, I'll write an else statement for this condition, which is else. And then I will end my second if statement, and I will write an else statement for my first if statement. And then I will end my first if statement. I will comment this first piece of code, and then I will run my function. You can see that the result is the same. The number is 0. And that's it. We've covered the basics of if statement, if else, elseif, and nested if statements. I hope that this gives you a solid understanding of how to use if statements in MATLAB. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more MATLAB tutorials. If you have any questions or topic that you want us to cover, please leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching.